In this video, I will compare Beehiiv versus Klaviyo and tell you which of these email marketing / newsletter tools may be best for you and your needs. Now first off, if you want to get started with either Beehiiv or Klaviyo anywhere in this video, you can click on the links down in the description to get started with both of their free trials. So first, let's start with what Beehiiv does, then what Klaviyo does, then I'll compare their pricing and tell you which one you should use, in my opinion, based on your needs. So first, what does Beehiiv do? Beehiiv is a newsletter platform, and that is what it is specialized in. You can create a newsletter, you can make the newsletter paid, but you can also create a website using Beehiiv. So you can see these steps right here. So launch your website, send a newsletter, grow your list, monetize it, and then repeat the newsletter. So in terms of creating stuff, you can create websites and newsletters that you can publish with the text editor. You can create automations, so that is probably where it's most similar to Klaviyo. So you could set up an automation where people get automatic welcome emails and stuff like that. Then you can also use AI. You can grow your audience through a referral program for your newsletter, through boosts, recommendations, magic links, subscribe forms, pop-ups, and gating, and you can monetize your newsletter through an ad network, boosts, and paid subscriptions. Now comparing this to Klaviyo, Klaviyo's platform is created for e-commerce businesses. Now it has very strong integrations with Shopify, but also with other website builders such as Wix and WooCommerce. So if you are looking for an e-commerce tool that will help you basically, for example, send abandoned cart emails, SMS messages, mobile push notifications that will request reviews, you can create web forms, use their AI, and use their customer data platform. That is what Klaviyo is for. So if you are doing e-commerce and you want to do stuff like setting up abandoned cart emails so that people come back to actually buy it, that is what Klaviyo is for. Now in terms of pricing for Klaviyo, it depends on how many active profiles you have. Let's say that you have 2,500 to 3,000, then you can use it for free and you can send 500 monthly emails. Now with this many subscribers, that probably won't be enough, but it is great to get started just for free. Then the email plan here starts at $70 per month, and here you can send 30,000 monthly email sends and 150 free monthly SMS credits. Now if you want to do email and SMS, then you want to get the $85 per month plan right here, and these prices depend on how many subscribers you have, as you can see. Now you can also get additional SMS credits for whichever country you need them. Now Beehiiv's pricing, on the other hand, is a little bit cheaper. They have a completely free plan for up to 2,500 subscribers. So in this free plan you can already create a custom website, newsletters, and you can do up to 3 publications. Now in this skill plan right here is for if you want to monetize your newsletter. So on top of the paid subscriptions, which will help you do that, you also get stuff like new website templates, email automations, the referral program, their AI, surveys and forms, teammates, webhooks, and more. Then the max plan is to remove the Beehiiv branding, get the newsletter XP course, up to 10 publications, and priority support. This may be worth it. Now you can pay either monthly or yearly. If you pay monthly and you have 5,000 subscribers, then the max plan here is $119.20. If you pay yearly, it's $104. Now if you want to get started with their free plan or just get started with a 30-day free trial on the skill plan or max plan, then click on the link down in the description to get started completely for free with Beehiiv. So should you use Beehiiv or Klaviyo? I'll give you a really quick conclusion. Go with Beehiiv if you want to create a newsletter and you want to monetize that newsletter, and go with Klaviyo if you have an e-commerce business on Shopify, WooCommerce, or any of the other integrations that you can see right there, and you want to basically increase your sales and increase your customer value. Now if you want to get started with Klaviyo, you can also do that for free through the link in the description. That will take you to this page. From here simply enter these details and then click create account, and then you can get started using Klaviyo completely for free and just trying it out. So again, if you want to get started with either Beehiiv or Klaviyo, you can do it for free through the links down in the description. So that concludes this comparison of Beehiiv versus Klaviyo. If this comparison was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.